yourself once you're ready, Mila.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Mila. How are you today, Mila?
I'm great.
That's good. What did you do in the morning?
Play badminton.
Okay, that's fun. Why does your voice sound tired? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Oh no. Did you eat your lunch already?
No, I not eat lunch.
Why not? Are you not hungry?
No, my mom is um
Hmm.
call the food hangout.
Oh, are you going to after our class, Mila?
Mm,
Are you going to sleep after our class?
No,
Really? Do you have another class?
no,
Oh no, you don't. Oh, so it's a free date. Okay, so I
no.
believe you'll just play Roblox and watch movies.
My mom don't want me play Roblox.
Oh, okay. Well, it's good, Mila. Actually, playing Roblox is not recommended, Mila. Um, some kids they they suicide, Mila, because of playing Roblox. That's why most parents they don't want their kids to play it.
I want
Oh,
to play with friends.
you want to play it. Okay, but yes, of course, you have to listen to your mom, Mila. She knows what's best for you. Okay, so maybe you'll just watch TV, eat something, eat chips, Mila, and yeah, you can watch a movie later after our class. Okay, so now we'll have the continuation of 50, 54 now. Okay, exercise. Okay, so again, Mila, we have here athlete. What does it mean again when we say athlete? Athlete,
Actually,
can you remember it?
no.
B, it's a person
I
who play.
Uh,
He's
play,
an athlete.
play.
He is an athlete.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, one who is good at trained skilled in sports or games, Mela. Okay, that is athlete. Next one, we have actor. What is an actor again? Actor.
Actor,
Yeah.
actor.
What is an actor?
Uh, um, I forgot.
Oh, okay, I see. But you know it in Vietnamese, right? Do you?
Uh,
Do you know it in Vietnamese?
yeah.
Just like your husband, he is an actor, right? You told me last time he is an actor. Okay, it is
No,
a
my husband is a singer.
Oh, okay. He's just a singer, a composer, not an actor. Okay. Now, an actor, it is a storyteller who portrays characters in performance. Okay, so they use their voice, their body, and emotion to bring the script to life. Okay, that is an actor, just like them behind the um in the picture right here. Now next one we have musician. Musician is
Uh,
what is it?
musician.
Yes. What is a musician, Mela? What do you think is it?
Is seems a singer.
Yes. Okay, because it is a person who sing and composes songs. Okay, musician. Same as your husband, he is a musician. Now next one we have politician.
Musician.
Mm-hmm. Do you know politician, Mela?
Uh, I know Spanish.
Okay. So where do they work? Where do they work?
Um, is I can't say English.
Okay. So politician, it is a person who is elected or appointed to a role in government. Okay. So of course their main job, Mela, is to create policies, pass laws, and represent the interests of people who voted them in their community or in their country. That is politician. Okay, I believe you know it. Okay, wait, let me translate it to make sure, Mela. Okay, politician.
Chính trị gia,
Okay, next one now we have writer. What about this one? Writer.
Writer. Writer is right.
Okay, a person who writes. It could be write stories, Mela, write stories, novels, um, write no, a person who writes a song that is not a writer but a composer. Okay, so that is a writer. So write poem. Okay, so a writer. Now let us practice and tell me what you see in each picture. Okay, what's this, Mila?
Uh,
And
uh, uh, uh,
you remember he is an.
and
Okay, well you're still remembering. Let us have this one. What is it?
is I forgot.
Quick review then, if that's the case. Again,
At-
we have athlete, athlete, actor, musician, politician, and writer. Okay, so
Okay.
again, okay, can you tell me again what his what's his job? Mila, he is a
This station.
yeah politician. Politician. What about this person? He is an
Mm, athlete, athlete,
athlete. Can you say it again, Mila?
at,
Athlete.
at, athlete,
Okay, very good. This one?
musician,
Yes, it is a musician. What about this? He is or she is a
writer,
okay, yes, very good. A writer. And the last one,
actor.
yes, that's right, Mila, an actor. Thank you. Now let us have exercise two, vocabulary. Okay, so we have here the first one, love. What does it mean when we say love, Mila? Love.
Also,
Love.
love.
Yes, what is love, Mila?
Huh?
What is love?
Mm, is
Yes.
I can say English.
Okay, so when we say love or we love something, it means we really like doing it or we really like that something, Mila. We are really into it. Okay, now what about I'm crazy about?
Mm, I'm crazy about.
Mm-hmm. Do you know this? Do you know it, Mila?
No.
Okay, so when we say love, it means you really like something or someone very much, right? So when we say I'm crazy about, it means you are very interested in someone or something. Okay, in something. You are very interested. Okay, wait, let me translate that for you.
Tôi phát cuồng vì
Okay, that is it.
Okay.
Okay, next one now. What about really like? Really like.
Really like.
Mm-hmm.
Um, is same love, but um is same love, but is really.
Okay, yes. Okay, so in here, when we say really like, it is, yes, it is the same as love, but not as strong as love, Mela. It means you like something a lot, but not very much. Okay. Now, what about I'm not interested in? I'm not interested in.
Not interested in. Uh,
I'm not interested in.
Tôi không quan tâm đến.
Okay, that is not interested in. Okay, which means you have a little or no interest at all in something. Okay, not interested in. When we say don't like, it means it is a negative opinion. You don't enjoy, you don't like something at all. When we say can't stand, Mila, it means you dislike something very much. Okay, you don't like it at all. Now, when we say hate, it is a strong word, Amela, which means that you really hate someone or something so much. Okay, that is hate. Now, let me copy this for you. And in here, I want you to use those words, Mela, to tell me to complete these sentences that will make it true about you. Okay, so now let us have one.
I
Do you love chocolate, Melan? Are you
yeah,
do you really?
uh, mm, I really like chocolate.
Oh, okay. Now what about for two?
I uh um,
Cold weather,
I
Mela. Cold weather. Do you like cold weather?
can you translate the can start?
Can't stand. Okay, wait. But not literally on your own using your feet, Mila,
Okay,
okay?
okay, okay.
So it
Uh, uh,
I
I
think
I can, but I love weather cold.
you don't
I
like it?
can, I like it.
Oh, you like it. So if you like it, Mila, you should choose one of these. If you don't, here are your choices. Okay, positive. This is negative. These are negative. So you either you'd say I love cold weather or I really like cold
I
weather.
I am crazy about.
You're crazy about cold weather? Okay, you are very interested about it, Mila. Instead, you can just say I really like cold weather. Okay, now what about soccer?
I don't like soccer.
Oh, okay. What about four? Seafood.
I am not interested in seafood.
Oh, okay. Five,
I
Mila.
love computer game.
And last one.
Uh, I like shopping, but
Oh, but? Why is there a but? But? You love shopping, but?
mm,
But what, Mila? You love shopping,
I
but?
I like shopping online. I don't like to go shopping. Um,
Oh, in a physical store. Oh, okay. I see. What did you buy recently? What did you buy online, Mela?
my current husband, yeah, it's only this.
Oh, just that. Okay, I see. Okay, so you love online shopping. Okay, next one now. We have exercise three, more vocabulary. What does it mean when we say hardworking? What is hardworking, Mela? Yes, Mela. Are you sleeping now?
No,
Okay, can you tell me what is hardworking?
it's working hard.
Okay, yes. A person is working very hard, exerting a lot of effort in his or her work. What about intelligent?
Intelligent.
Yes, intelligent. Intelligent, Mela.
I don't know.
Okay, do you know smart? Smart, Mela, do you know the word smart?
Um,
And clever? They're just the same, Mela. They're just the same. It means a person understands or absorbs ideas quickly, okay? So that is smart, intelligent,
thông minh,
okay? Yes, Mela? Mela?
yeah, yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. Why are you shouting, Mela? Now, what about skillful? Skillful.
I don't know it.
Okay, so when we say skillful, Mela, okay, this is it in Vietnamese. Okay, so which means,
Okay.
okay, so of course, it means that a person, um, or yes, a person displays a high degree of accomplishment in his abilities, Mela, especially in doing certain tasks. Okay, that is skillful. Now, maybe you are sleepy or maybe a little hungry, Mela, so we'll just end our class here and I'll see you again on Monday. Okay, thank you so much, Mela. Goodbye, Mela.
Goodbye, teacher.